My box got here from Australia. What's in the box? Let's get cracking. I swear this has gotten here faster than some of the Christmas cards I mailed to local people here in the United States. This thing got here in about two and a half weeks, so that's amazing. Box doesn't look too beat up. We'll keep our fingers crossed that it is in good shape. I'm super anxious to see. I've wanted something like this my whole life and I've never sprang for it. Not getting any younger, so now's as good a time as any. Let me tilt the camera down. Well, it seems to be certainly packed well. I'm thankful for that. Keep your fingers crossed it didn't get damaged. I've been looking for this particular, we'll find out what it is in a second, for quite some time now. And since everything for the Roadster is discontinued and sold out, you kind of got to take what's left out there. And I was tracking one of these at Big Sky Harley, I want to say in Colorado, but somebody bought it out from underneath me. You snooze, you lose. You know, if you see something you want in life, you better go buy it. Harley directions, so it's an OEM part. There's a seat. Seems like a box of bits. This set is from Harley-Davidson, and that's OEM 1 of 100 paint schemes for the Harley Roadster. And this turns it into a solo cafe racer, and the color theme, they call it caffeine. That looks brilliant. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And the piece de resistance, I am buried in packing material. Good night. Which is a good thing. Ooh-wee. Already got the tank grabs on it. And this set is number 63 of 100. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the ghosted in checkerboard on the top. It's fogging up from my breath, it's so bloody cold here. Just awesome. Special shout out goes to eBayers, Sylvia and Albie. And their eBay account is APA44, asterisks. And Sylvia was extremely transparent. There's the eBay, I'll throw it up on the screen as well. APA Biker Parts is what they go by. And Sylvia and Albie were just absolutely straight up with me from beginning to end. This set goes for pretty darn near high threes, closing in on $4,000 when it first came out, because they only made 100 sets of these. And I found this one, no disrespects to the Australian fan club out there, but your dollar is so weak compared to the US, it was a deal for us. I found this for $1,300 and it's brand new. And I'm like, yeah, hell yeah, but they said they didn't ship. So I emailed them and spoke with them and I said, please consider it and check it out. And they said, well, normally we don't because the postage is horrific from Australia. Boy, they weren't lying. Initial quote was $700 US to ship it. Sweet cherry pie. If that isn't the dog's danglers, I don't know what is. I've always wanted a custom paint job on a bike, and I was too cheap to ever foot the bill for it. So this is my one and only shot at it, and I'm pretty pumped about it. So we're gonna do an install video on this. Hopefully it'll go better than those clip-ons that I just did. Wow, I'm super excited and happy to share it with everybody. I hope you think it's as beautiful as I do. Like I said, they call this the caffeine paint scheme, and it's quite fascinating. The lines in here, there's actually kind of a ghosted in orange in there, and all the edges are kind of burnt. There's a couple of pinstripes going down outlining the top where the ghosted in race flag is. And I'll throw some pictures up on the screen. And I'm super excited that it already has the knee pads installed on it as well. Wow, so we'll have to prep this. I'll get it ceramic coated and also get some 3M clear ball up here to protect the paint on it. Taking my breath away just looking at it. I'm so excited. With that said, there's my ghost dog. It's time to wrap this video up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more in the future, hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner. And remember, folks, go riding. It's good for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.